cloud adoption continues to surge towards the $1 trillion mark in annual spend. It is clear that a wave of enterprise startups is gaining traction with customers and investors for tools to help manage the usage. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The surge in cloud adoption shows increasing reliance on businesses on cloud services for various aspects of their operations. As more organizations transition their infrastructure, applications, and data to the cloud, the demand for tools to efficiently manage and optimize cloud usage is also on the rise. Enterprise startups are capitalizing this trend by developing innovative solutions tailored to the needs of businesses navigating the complexities of cloud environments. These tools offer a range of functionalities aimed to enhancing visibility, governance, cost management, security, and performance optimization across multi cloud and hybrid cloud deployments. Secondly, as organizations scale their cloud footprints, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements and internal policies became paramount. Enterprise startups are developing governance frameworks and compliance automation tools to help businesses enforce security policies, manage access controls, and maintain regulatory compliance in cloud environments. Security remains a top concern for businesses moving to the cloud. Startups are addressing this challenge by offering innovative security solutions designed to protect cloud workloads, data, and applications from cyber threats. These solutions encompass cloud native security controls, threat detection, encryption, identity and access management (IAM), and security posture management. The most important thing is there is need for maintaining optimal performance and availability of cloud resources that is essential for business continuity. Startups are developing monitoring and performance optimization tools that provide real-time visibility into cloud infrastructure, application performance, and service health. These tools help businesses proactively identify and resolve performance issues to ensure a seamless user experience. Having said that, many businesses are in the process of migrating their workloads to the cloud or managing multi cloud environments. Startups are offering solutions to streamline cloud migration, automate deployment processes, and manage cloud resources efficiently. These tools help businesses accelerate their cloud adoption journey while minimizing risks and operational overhead. Enterprise startups are playing a crucial role in addressing the evolving needs of businesses as they embrace cloud technologies. By providing innovative tools and solutions for managing cloud usage, these startups are enabling businesses to harness the full potential of the cloud while maximizing value and minimizing risks. Let's look into today's headlines. Updated privacy features have been added to Android 15 Beta 2. At Google I/O 2024, Google introduced Android 15 Beta 2, emphasizing fresh security improvements. With the help of the update's private space feature, users may now hide some apps on their smartphones like social networking or banking in a safe place. Surprisingly, the phone now features an anti-theft mechanism that locks it when it senses sudden movements. YouTube extends creator takeovers and adds branded QR codes. In order to improve ad interactivity, tech giant Google's YouTube recently introduced customized QR codes during its 2024 Brandcast event. Video advertising is accompanied by these codes, which display the logos of the advertisers and allow viewers to obtain further information about the product or service. Notably, companies may now take advantage of profitable advertisement possibilities on popular creators' channels due to the expansion of the YouTube Select Creator Takeovers program. RBI cautions NBFCs against relying too much on algorithm-based lending. Non-bank finance companies (NBFCs) received a warning from RBI Deputy Governor Swaminathan Janakiraman on their over-reliance on algorithm-based credit models. He underlined the danger of errors in ever changing market conditions and advocated for financing source diversification. Janaki Raman advised cautious risk management and cautioned against lending in high risk categories such as unsecured loans. OpenAI inks deal with Reddit to train its AI on real time content. OpenAI has signed a deal with Reddit for access to real time content from its data API. This means it can surface discussions from the site within ChatGPT and other new products. The agreement is similar to the one Reddit signed with Google earlier this year that was reportedly worth $60 million. The deal will also enable Reddit to bring new AI powered features to Redditors and mods to use OpenAI's large language models to build applications. Microsoft suggests its staff based in China to relocate. Amid US China tensions, Microsoft has suggested relocating 700 to 800 of its China based employees, mostly Chinese engineers working in the cloud computing and artificial intelligence industries. The engineers are offered the chance to relocate to the US, Ireland, Australia, or New Zealand. The Biden administration is closely examining Chinese imports in areas like computer chips, medical supplies, and EV batteries. There are also plans to limit the export of closed source AI models, which might have an effect on Microsoft and other Chinese corporations. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.